If you are looking for how to insert theta symbol in PPT slide, then keep watching. So in the first method, you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol. And in the font section, you need to select the normal text. And in the subject, you need to select the Greek and Coptic. And here it is. And in the character code, you need to remove first this character code and then type 03B8 like this one, and your cursor will move to the theta symbol, and here it is. This is the small letter theta symbol. Click insert and close, and here it is. For the capital theta symbol, again go to the insert, click on the symbol, and again you need to type character code 0398, and here your cursor will move to the capital letter theta symbol. Click insert and close, and here it is. Another way is that using the equation editor, go to the insert, click on the equations, and in the box you need to put the backslash and type theta theta in small letters and hit enter, and here it is. So with this way you can easily insert theta symbol in PPT slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.